Hello traders, and welcome to Trading the Trend. I am Dennis, and this is my weekend look at the market trends. And let's get right into it. S&P 500 weekly chart, and you can see we've had two consecutive down weeks. If you look at this overall trend, no big deal here. We're still very much in an uptrend, but it's kind of interesting when you focus in a little bit, go to the daily, and you see we had a couple Thursdays ago, we had this big down candle, and then this past Thursday, we also had a big down candle. So that's been pretty much all this down move has been on those 2 days. So we'll have to keep an eye on that and see if we have another big down day this coming Thursday. What I kind of would expect with this kind of a down move is maybe we get some kind of a sell-off on Monday and then a reversal. Is what I'll be looking for. We are in the one of the weakest months of the year, August and September for stocks. So a pullback stronger than normal is expected, and nothing too alarming here. And look at the Dow, same situation, couple down weeks. The NASDAQ, of course, has been weakest of the majors. You can see here 4 down weeks in a row, but we're just back into this consolidation box. So nothing really has been broken in this uptrend. It just continues. So we'll just have to wait this out, and probably come October we'll hit a bottom, and then things will shoot higher. Moving on to currencies, dollar index. Dollar is trying to find some footing here, but as you can see, this is every time it's headed down further. So a little bit of a pause right here. We can back this out a little bit. You see we're just kind of in the bottom of a big trading range in the dollars. So we'll keep an eye on that. Bitcoin, let's take a look at Bitcoin. And it just continues with this parabolic run. Another huge gap up for the week. I think we're up near 4,500 at one point during the week. This is as of close Friday. I think it's about $100 less than this price right now. But Bitcoin continues with its march. There's all kinds of predictions out there where this thing is going, but the main thing, you just have to be willing to hold on to it, and you will see some pullbacks, and they will be strong with this kind of a move. Now let's look at some of our commodities. Oil, and you can see oil, we're still in this big trading range, and last 3 weeks in a row, they were down weeks, but we keep seeing buyers come in every time they try to push this thing lower. So maybe the sellers will finally give up here, and this thing can start moving up again. You did have a big up move on Friday, so we'll be looking for some continuation there. And then let's look at our gold and silver. Gold, after a nice big up candle, we did have a pause this past week, inside candle. Nothing too alarming here. We're trying to challenge, this is the GLD, so we're trying to challenge this high up here around around 123. So we can get a weekly close above that. That should clear the way for this thing to continue to move higher. Right now we're just kind of in this back and forth range. Silver is in a down trending range, and it's at the high point of that trading channel. So we'll have to see if silver can break out of that and start moving to some newer highs. Gold miners are telling us that nothing is really happening as this thing just continues to move sideways in an ever tightening trading range. And let's see here, there was one more I wanted to look at, and that is my top individual stock for the year so far, and that is Alibaba. And it had a huge up weekly candle on volume. This thing is now up 90% year to date. So this has been a very strong stock. This is the China's version of Amazon. And if you think Amazon is going to the moon, then Alibaba is probably headed to Mars. So anyway, that's what I got for you this week. I will be putting out a separate video shortly for my currency picks. Hope to catch you all later. Bye.